What the F? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a small little video on how to accessorize your hijab. So accessorizing your hijab is honestly so simple. They're just the smallest little things that you can do, and I will show you some of those things during the video. So if you want to learn how to do that, then keep watching. So the first style is where you use a babushka scarf, and it will be placed on top of our head, on top of the other scarf that you already have on. So this is what you got to do first. There's two ways that you can do it. You can either wear your scarf how you normally do and then place the scarf on top. So I'm going to show you that one first. So I just have a large babushka scarf in a square. So it's just got a print on it like that, and it's just got some like chains, a weird print, but it's cute. And I'm just going to fold it. So it's going to be a square, and then I'm going to grab this edge and then the edge down here to make a triangle like that. And then you're going to be left with a little triangle thingy like that. Then you're going to grab this edge, so the two longer sides. So you want to grab the long piece of the scarf, bring it together, and then you are literally going to flip it over and place it on your head. So it depends how you like to do it. I like to put it just over my scarf like that. And then I'm going to tie it from the back. I'm going to tie it from the back like this. And you can fluff it out if you want a bit. So this is the first one. So you can either have the little pieces dangling down like that, or you can just leave them at the back. But I think I quite like this little piece standing there. Okay, so for the second style, we're going to use the babushka scarf again. But the first thing you're going to do is have the scarf open and make them the same length, and then have the babushka scarf in the triangle as well. So make sure that's already set. So once the scarf is open and both of them are the same length, grab both of the pieces and then pin them behind your head. So grab both of the pieces and then get a safety pin and pin it behind your scarf. So pin the scarf pieces together, just like so. And then I'm probably going to put my cap down so my back to show a little bit. So we're going to have the two pieces like this, and it's going to be pinned from the back. Then we are going to grab the babushka scarf and we're going to piece it over our head again, but instead of going over, we're gonna go under as well. Where we just pinned it, we're gonna go the same area and then just tie it. You can play around with it a bit. You can make it more forward. You can put it as high or as low as you want. I think I'm just gonna pull my scarf a bit down. So this is the second style. So for the third style, all you have to do is have your scarf open, and then I'm going to accessorize my hijab with a bucket hat. So I just got this one from SHEIN, and I have this one from my SHEIN haul. So I'm just going to open it, and if you want, you can place your bun a bit lower. So just push down on your bun, and then you grab the bucket hat and then place it on top of your hijab like that. And that is as simple as it will get. It is the third style for you guys, and there you go. So this style is like really cute if you're going to the zoo, or if it's summery or something like that. But I don't know why, it just gives me zookeeper vibes. But anyways, I love this. I think it's really cute and it's such a vibe. And let me know if you guys try this one out, and I'll go on to the fourth style. So the fourth style is literally similar to the third one that we just did, but instead of a bucket hat, I'm going to use a beanie. Now this one's a bit harder only because the beanie is obviously tighter. So what I'm going to do is have my scarf the same way it is, but my bun just needs to be lower, and then grab whatever beanie you have. I just have a plain black one. Should have bought a different color scarf for this, but just gonna have a plain black one. And the thing that I'm gonna do first is like stretch it out and go from the back. This looks so weird. Go from the back and then push down like this, and just let it kind of sit at the back, and you can have these either draping or you can just leave it like that. So that is the fourth style. So you can either have your scarf open or closed. So you can look like that, and this is just cute for the winter. And in Melbourne right now it is freezing cold. It was literally 2 degrees this morning. So that's how it will look like. I can wear my scarf closed, or I've seen some girls wear it open like that. So let's move on to the fifth idea. So the fifth style for now is literally grabbing a pair of glasses. Now you can get some really cute stylish ones. I'm honestly just using my mom's ones at the moment because I have no idea where I placed my little cute red glasses. But literally grab a pair of glasses, and if it's open it's going to be a bit harder because your glasses won't move, but you can leave it like that. I'm going to just move my scarf around a bit and literally grab the glasses and place them on top of your head. No joke, that's the fifth one. And another little thing you could do as well, I actually don't have any with me, but you could grab some like hair clips, and there was like pearl hair clips and stuff, and if you wanted to, you would like let this one loose and then clip one hair clip right here. So it would kind of give you like a more sharper look, and then your scarf's going to be pinned up like this. So it would actually be like really nice if you had any hair clips or any of that. And just pinning it right there on the corner of your forehead, and that's like another style, but I don't have any at the moment, so I can't show you, but if I ever do, I'll make sure to post them on my Instagram, and make sure to follow my Instagram if you haven't already. And let's move on to the next style. So the last thing for this video is actually using necklaces. Now there's some necklaces that you can use and it can just look really woggy. Now I'm hoping that this one isn't too woggy, but you literally grab a necklace, and you have to make sure you get a long enough one and like place it in your scarf. Now you can either place it around like so. I'm just gonna clip it. I just have this chain, this gold chain. You can either have it like that, but I'm gonna show you a cute way to actually do your scarf. So literally it's like a headband, but for a scarfie, you know what I'm saying? So if it's too big, just honestly get one that's adjustable, like a necklace that is adjustable. But that is honestly the last style. And having like the necklace dangling down as well is really cute. I've seen a few girls do it and I haven't tried it myself. Oh my god, if I can get this necklace off. Oh, I found it. Lol, no I haven't. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification button to get a notification every single time I upload a new video. And please make sure to let me know if you try any of these little ideas to accessorize your hijab, and I shall see you in my next video.